Discover how the right flooring can transform your home, combining beauty with functionality in every space. Hardwood flooring offers timeless elegance and can significantly enhance home value, available in species like oak, maple, and walnut. Tile flooring excels in durability, perfect for high moisture areas with a vast selection of materials including ceramic and porcelain. Laminate provides a cost-effective, durable alternative to hardwood, ideal for busy homes, replicating luxury looks effortlessly. Vinyl flooring offers unparalleled moisture resistance and toughness, making it perfect for households with pets and children. For an eco-friendly option, cork flooring offers natural insulation and a unique aesthetic, though it requires care to maintain its beauty. Choose wisely: hardwood for living areas, porcelain tiles for kitchens, and plush carpet for bedrooms, ensuring each room meets its functional demands. Stay ahead with the latest trends like waterproof hardwood and luxurious, high-tech vinyl that mimic natural materials with ease. Consider professional installation for complex materials like tile and hardwood to ensure durability and a flawless finish. Elevate your home with flooring that combines style with practicality, creating spaces that are both inviting and functional. Transform your space with the perfect floor. Subscribe for more insights.